Right after the liberation was the case, Jewish Palestine Brigade, attached to the British Army, passed our camp in Austria. And they asked us, whoever wants to come to Israel, they come with them. They're going to Italy, and from Italy they sent us illegally to Israel. And I jumped for the occasion, and I went with them to Italy, spent a year and a half with them, and from overnight I was from slavery to freedom. It was something you can't imagine how happy I was. And finally, they put us on a boat, 300 people, traveled about 4.5 days, no food, no water, no medication. And we arrived at a place called Nitzanim, which is actually not far from Gaza. And we had to jump off there, and I don't know how to swim till today. I swam in a pair of underpants and came to Israel in a pair of underpants.